Go to the bathroom. My phone drop in here. Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, all the way vacation พี่น้องเลยชีวิตนี้ก็บ่เท่านี้แหละบ่มีปานใดสินี่พอนี้ล่ะ What is it? What you see? Oh my God! Oh, hell to the no! You crazy? Hell to the no! Hell to the no! Oh my God! You will put your life danger, and then you love it like that, huh? For me, my heart dropped to my foot. Oh, even I see that, I feel like heart drop already. Oh, kid, Saxon. อันนี้วันเด็กน้อย Saxon พี่น้องเลย Yeah, look more fun up here. Yep. Look, this is not kid. There's alcohol in here. Oh man, look at that. Sit here for a minute. Can we sit here? No? Yes or no? Why not, right?
Sit here today. Yeah.
want to look down anything โอ้ยอันนี้เป็นบอลเล็กหน่อยครับเล่นนี่บัตถุอันทุกแนวbe outside okay oh sorry babysit leg guy sorry oh yeah yeah we just go see again ooh now this the children party over here oh that's fun yeah Oh, he's, yeah?
Landscape at the moment, and it's going to be even more visible later on. So this is the northwestern part of Cuba, and we are maintaining the south coast. That's usually going to clear the most western part of Cuba, and we're going to start to set north-south and the coasts directly tonight. We are at the moment taking the speed of about 20 miles per hour. Arriving time tomorrow morning. About 7.
Lobster, grilled lobster.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Me.
Yum.
And look at the view. How you can beat the deer to eat lunch in here? You can beat no deer like this.สบายทุกคนวันนี้เป็นวันพุธ Wednesday right Wednesday or Thursday today is Thursday happy Thursday
Brother.
good food oh my god it's good vacation the best vacation